Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Mo from Top Tech Media. I hope everybody's keeping very well. If this is your first time on this channel, I would much appreciate if you subscribe. I will do a lot of unboxings and a lot of tech reviews. So on today's episode, as you can see, I've got all these products to unbox. So let's get straight into it. Coming up. Okay, so like always, if you like any of these products and you would like to go and purchase them, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can grab any of these at any given time. And any other information related to these products will also be in the description box as well. Okay, so let's get unboxing our first box. Let's grab this one over here. So I don't know what's inside of this one. Don't know if it makes a rattle noise. Okay. I always love ripping these labels. Okay, so let's get this out of the box. I don't know if you can see that. The Enacfire Bluetooth earbuds. Take a closer look inside. Nice little small box, neat, tidy. So first up, it's got a nice little cover that goes on top of that. Instructions manual, let's put that to a side. And there we have it. It's actually a lot smaller than I actually imagined. So I'll be doing individual tech reviews on these products as well, obviously. But just a quick unboxing. So you've got some earbuds with that, ear tips, not buds. And I believe you have a charging cable. So check these out. So it's got some nice little magnets at the bottom. So if you can just drop it in and it actually just pulls it back in. They look quite funky, to be honest with you. It's got a kind of like a hexagonal shape. I'll do another video on that and I'll let you guys know. So let's put this away and move on to our next product. So open up one more time and let's check out what's inside of this. Okay, so let's get these out and put the box away as usual. Okay, so here we have a digital thermometer. And okay, so it's got a user manual as usual, and there we are. So, I quite like the interface of this. It's nice. It looks nice, neat, and fresh. Very nice white panel. Needs two AAA batteries, I think, and it's got a nice little table to stand on as well. So it's got a nice on-off switch. Next up, we have got a CH or GH quick charge 3.0 car USB charger with single car power socket. Okay, so there you have it. Let's open this up and take a closer look inside how it looks. So it's got a 2.4 and a Qualcomm 3.0 charging facility. So let's take this out. I thought it's going to be a lot bigger than that. So this is how it looks. So it's got a Qualcomm quick charge as well as a 2.4 quick charge as well. So and it's obviously got another dock. Okay, so we're going to go with this side again and check this one out over here. I'm going to see what this is. Let's take a closer look. So this is a Akaso Dashcam C200. So a user manual as usual. And this is the unit itself. I'll put that to a side for a second and let's take a closer look what else we've got inside. So it's got a suction mount for your windscreen. So it's got a charging cable over here, sticky pads so you can run your cable through those so you don't have any loose cables flying out everywhere. And this is your cable that goes from your USB charger. Oh, okay, wow. So it actually looks like a miniature digital camera. If you have a look over here, it looks quite nice. I don't know if it's touchscreen. It's got a lot of buttons, so I doubt it very much. Full HD black box, wide angle lens, 1080p recording. So that'll be interesting to see what quality this one produces. So that's for another video. Let's move on. I so love opening these packages. Mibao, I don't know if you want to call it Mibao, and this one is the C100. Once again, open these up. This box actually feels a bit more premium than the other one. The user manual is a lot thicker, and I don't know if that means anything. If you don't know, let me know. It's a lot more nicely packaged than the other one. Okay, so this feels quite heavy. I'm assuming. Oh, okay. So this is the main unit itself. Let's take it out. Let's put that to a side and see what else is in the box. Okay, build up the suspense. Okay, so we've got a USB cable over here. Comes with an in-car charger as well, a suction cup, and another suction cup. I'm assuming one for the dashboard and one for the windscreen, probably. Maybe wrong, but I'm assuming that's what it's for. This one actually feels a lot heavier than the other one. The size, the screen size is almost identical to the other one, but I have to admit, this is probably one of the heaviest dash cams I've actually felt. It feels very premium. It looks very nice. Also records in 1080p. A HDMI slot over here, connection, a micro USB connection, a micro SD card reader, and a few buttons at the bottom over here. So, and it's got some buttons on that side as well. I don't know if you can catch that on the camera over here, but yes. So I'll probably test the two out together and see what the difference are. I'll let you guys know. Let's open this one up. This one's got a lithium ion sign on it, so I'm assuming it's got some kind of batteries or something inside. A floodlight series motion sensor light. It's a little bit more smaller than the one I've already got. I've already got the mounts and everything ready, so this will go straight on, and I'll be able to switch it on as well. So I don't know if you can see that. This one has a nice LED lighting, which the other one I don't think is LED. So yeah, that's meant to be quite powerful. Let's put that away and move on to the next product, the big box. Okay, let's get opening of this big box. I'm assuming, I get a feeling there's quite a few packages in this. I hope there is. Okay, so I can spot 3 so far, I think it is. 4, 5. So we've got a further 5 more packages in this guys. So 6. So first up we've got a little digital alarm clock from a company called Hams One. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Oh nice, very nice and very light. I think it will go pretty much anywhere. It blends it in with anything, I guess. It's got a nice greenish accent to it inside. Let's take a look at what it does. So it's a digital alarm clock with a thermometer and a date and time obviously built into it as well. Okay, so this is a color screen calendar. Don't know if you guys can see that over here. Let's take a look inside this bad boy. Wow, that's quite big compared to my last digital thermometer, but it looks a bit more interesting, I think. Okay, so this one's powered on by USB, and you can use some batteries. It's got mode, it's got temperature, maximum, minimum, snooze, SC, I don't know what that stands for, solar something maybe, I ain't got a clue. Light snooze over here, so I don't know if you can make it out. It's got the days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it records trends, so it will pre-record, I don't know how much, how many days. It will actually keep a record of what temperature, what day it was inside your house or inside your room, wherever you mount it. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. This is from a company, I don't know what company it's from, but it just says Book Lamp. Now, I did check one of these out. They look very, very nice. If you have a look at it over here, it's got a nice leather diary feel to it. Nice little notebook over here, and then voila, it's actually a light. Look at how cool that looks. So it's a book. I'm assuming it's rechargeable, and it changes colors. Wow. Okay, so, oh yes, okay. So built in over here, along that strip and this one over here, it's got some really nice strong magnets. So once you do that, it actually stays. Wow. Okay, so fold it back. As soon as you fold it, lights go off. There is a big announcement coming on my channel very soon, and I hope you guys do follow it, because it's extremely beneficial to you guys. If the only clue I'm going to give is, if anybody wants these types of tech, you don't need to have a massive tech channel. There is a new platform coming out if you want to grab some tech, if you want to do just general testing or reviews. Make sure you keep following. I'll be announcing it on this channel, and yeah, just keep posted. I think I know what this is. Let's move this out of the way. This is actually a soldering kit. It's got some tools. I've never used a soldering kit, so this is how it looks. Okay, so I can't wait to test this out. I don't know what I'm going to do. Obviously, I've got a few ideas in mind. This is from a company called AGM. I don't know what they are yet. Let's take a closer look inside. Oh wow! Hey, check this out. It's a phone. If you are looking for a phone that's extremely durable outside when you're going outside, but it's not really a smartphone as such, as you can see, going back in time, with all these buttons, it's quite big. It reminds me of these old phones. Check that out. I really like the gold coloring. It's got a nice clicky feel to it. So it's got a massive torchlight at the front over here. Never seen one of those before on a phone like that. A camera. It's got a camera. It doesn't say what sort of camera it is. A charging brick over here, and a cable. A charging slot over here. Earphone jack. There you are. Unlike some phones, not to mention any names. Let's take a look inside. Wow. Okay, so basically, it's got a cover. Under that cover, it's got another cover, and then under that, it's the battery itself. Let's take a closer look. So this is a 1900 by 70 milliamps an hour, 3.7 volt. It comes with a dual SIM slot and a micro SD card reader. I think its sole purpose is for outside use. Okay, finally we are on the last product. Now this is a very nice little camera. It's called Aberg Best. It's got a 21 megapixel 2.7 inch TFT displays. It records in different modes as well, so different file formats. Okay. It's a little bit of an unusual box with that little curvature. I do like that, something a little bit different. So it comes with a CD, as well as a user manual, power brick over here with a USB connection at the bottom over here. It comes with a wrist strap, so obviously you don't drop the camera itself, and it comes with a carry pouch. It comes with 2 batteries, so 2 lithium ion batteries of 550 milliamps an hour, f3.0 aperture lens. So on the side we've got a USB connector there. That's how it's supposed to be looking, but obviously it's got doesn't have a memory card. There we are, guys. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I will be doing individual unboxings on those products as well. Make sure you subscribe. If you've loved the video, hit me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.